Hey guys, so welcome back to another monthly weigh-in. So for the month of February, it was a good month. The first week was a bit of a struggle because the weather was really bad. It was snowing or was ice, so I had to readjust some of my workout days and some of the things I wanted to do. But then after that, it got, the weather still wasn't as bad, but it didn't prevent me from working out. I still went to the gym 5 days a week. So overall, it was a good month. I am getting stronger, and I am not out of breath as quickly as before. Um, my legs are really starting to show that I'm working out, which is good. I've always had my legs has always been my favorite part of my body because it's like always been the most tone. So it's like the quickest thing to get toned than anywhere else in my body. So I like that. I have been using the journal that I talked about in the last update, and it's been good. I find that it kind of helps me plan for the week. So, but for the month, I had made 5 goals that I wanted. So one is lose weight, which I'm sure I have. I haven't been on the scale yet. I will soon. And then the other thing I said was extend my running interval 5 to 10 minutes. I went beyond that. So I've been doing at least I've been going to about, I would say, 15 minutes before I feel I need to like stop. So I'm doing really, really good. And I did in the vlog you will see that I did run outside. One hiking trip, haven't hiked at all. And that's because the weather is not the greatest weather to hike in, because it might seem okay, but there's like ice in certain areas, and no. So that was a bust. 20 push-ups without stopping. So I can do 20 push-up, regular push-up, not the ones that you need, the regular push-up without stopping, except when I get to about 15, I am out of breath and I am pushing for the next five, like trying to not lose form and get to the 20. So that's still something I need to work on. And then the last one I had was try two new workout equipment. What am I? I wrote this, guys. I can't even read my own writing. So I would say I did try several new equipment. Fortunately, I don't have any footage of it because it's at the gym, and of course, there's no one to record me, and they're not really the most like friendly people when it comes to camera, so that wasn't happening. And then I also use a side where I put in my weekly training, what I plan to do on each day, and chest, leg, cardio, all that stuff. Rest day I put in here. Days I want to do yoga. And so I'm enjoying using this. Unfortunately, it's falling apart. It's like, you know, it's cheap. So I am not complaining. I think I paid like $2 for it, so what do I expect? But I still use it, and I still write down, my plans on there. So anyway, but hopefully you guys enjoy my vlog of some of the days that I actually recorded. I find that when I'm in that workout mode, I don't want to record nothing. I just want to work out and get the day over with. So I'm still, trying to be creative with the monthly vlog, but it's gonna be one of those short and sweet ones. So guys, it is another Monday morning, and I'm in here and I'm about to do the legs today, and that's about it. So leg day. Yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished leg day, and the gym is getting packed now. Like, it went from like the beginning of January, we got all those, people that's coming in. And then now that the weather is starting to like warm up, it's a lot of people today that I've never seen before. And I'm like, okay. So that means, once we get closer and closer to spring, it's probably going to be packed, which sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, because I don't like waiting on machines. So we'll see. But I feel good. I'm strong in my legs. My legs are very strong. Like, I do get sore, but I can go real heavy and power lift on my legs, which is, good thing. So now I'm gonna pick up some stuff to cook. I've been, trying to maintain my eating habit, which is good. I've been eating good, guys. So I've ate out once. I did eat out a weekend. I went to Philly and I actually went to Chipotle, which I'm not a big fan of Chipotle, but it's at least it had option of something that wasn't fattening. Yeah, you could get decent healthy stuff there, especially the beans and stuff. So that wasn't so bad. Other than that, I've been cooking my own food and maintaining it. So that's it for today, but I'm gonna go get some groceries and so I can cook later. So yeah. Guys, I did it. Took me long. I did 3 miles and I was slow, like super slow. Stopped 3 times because I'm running up hills, guys. So this is not a flat course. So I'm running up hills. So I shouldn't beat myself up, but I used to run up these hills, 10-minute mile hills, and my run was 14 something. I'll put it on the side so you can see how slow I was. But I'm not gonna complain because I got a lot of weight on me. So the more I lose weight, the faster I'll be. So yeah, happy about it. So hey guys, that was the weigh-in. So I lost 6.6 pounds, which gives my total for 2 months 17.2 pounds. So I'm very happy with that. It's a nice pace. So I'm seeing the results. I dropped the size, so that's great. So I'm looking forward to what the summer's gonna hold if I keep this up. I'm in the gym 5 days a week, guys. I'm doing about an hour and a half workout. I'm also watching what I eat as far as the carbs and the sugar. So I eat a lot of salad, vegetable, fruits, but I eat my meats and my fish. I definitely don't give up on my seasoning. I can't do it. So my food is not bland. It's not boring, but it's also lean in terms of the fact that I make sure that I don't cook with a lot of grease. I mean, literally, I use Pam spray all the time, and the food is good, and other people like it. So I'm doing a good job with that. I'm enjoying it. It's a routine, It's I have my gym stuff when I go to work. So as soon as I get off work, I go straight to the gym and then I go home. It's like a routine, and I find that I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the atmosphere of the gym. I talk about it in my blog. So if you haven't checked out my blog, check it out, because I test out like new sports bra and workout stuff that I talk about that I don't share in the video. So definitely go check out the blog. Other than that, guys, work, work, and work. That's all I can say. And not giving up. And I'm doing it. So if you are on this journey as well, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what your results are.